Hi, I'm Azra, Product Manager at Taoglas, and today I'm excited to introduce two compact powerhouses in our GNSS lineup, the AA.185 and AA.186, built on the trusted AA.180 series. These high-performance external antennas measure just 35 by 35 by 15 millimeters, making them ideal for precision critical applications in autonomous vehicle drones, rugged telematics, and agriculture. The AA.185 integrates a single-stage LNA for low power consumption and simplified design, supporting L1 band, GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo. For more demanding environments, the AA.186 step up with a dual-stage LNA, offering higher gain and lower noise for superior signal integrity. Both models are housed in IP67-rated ACA enclosures, ready to take on dust, rain, vibration, and more. Installation is quick and flexible. Choose magnetic or adhesive mounting with fully customizable cables, connectors, to match your exact setup. If you need a rugged, cost-effective, multi-band GNSS solution in a compact form factor, the AA.185 and AA.186 deliver. Request samples or contact Taoglas or one of our global distributors today. Thanks for watching.